Good evening, my dear friends. Good evening, sir. As you all know, my name is Ankit Shaw, and I am here to deliver my PPT on a topic, and our topic is artificial intelligence is boon or bane. So, before deciding that artificial intelligence is boon or bane, let's understand that what is artificial intelligence. My dear friends, in my opinion, I think the thing which reduces the human effort, which saves the human life, which saves humans time, which saves humans money or energy. It's all about artificial intelligence. So let's take the advantages of AI. And AI has first advantage is it's helping in repetitive job. And I will give you the example that how it helps in repetitive jobs. So my dear friends, I want to know one thing that do you know about SDFC Bank? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So SDFC Bank has a robot. Its name is IRA, Intelligent Robotic Assistant. This helps customer to go to the relevant counter. And my dear friends, you also know that name of bank SBI. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
SBI has also same best concept AI, and its name is SIA, SBI Intelligent Assistant, and it's also do the same work as IRA. Let's come to the second advantage of our topic, artificial intelligence. My dear friends, I think you all are believe that human's life is precious life. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So artificial intelligence can take risk instead of human. And I will explain this point with the help of two examples. My dear friends, do you know about the Ukraine country? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Ukraine is a country where nuclear explosion was held in 1986, and there lots of infrastructure was lost, lots of human life was lost. So that time when we have the AI system or AI based robotics, then we can save the human's life, money, energy or the infrastructure in Ukraine. And the second example, in Bhopal there was a Bhopal gas tragedy. It was held in 1984. So we can also save the same things as we save in Ukraine with the help of AI. Let's take the next advantages of AI. My dear friends, AI is available for 24 into 7 as every person is keeping mobile nowadays. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it's help to do the work, to do his work 24 into 7. Either he is in bedroom, either he is wandering on the road, either he is playing in the park. So it's help in 24 into 7. And the next point is AI provides vantage. Do you know the meaning of vantage?
No, sir.
I will tell you. Vantage means sahuliyat. It means AI provides us sahuliyat in our daily life. Like we can connect with the other person, we can search the location with the help of Google Map, we can get the recommendation of videos by the YouTube, Insta or the Facebook nowadays. So it is also the advantages of AI. Let's take the fifth example of AI, that is reduction in human error. Like once Jasdeep sir said that human is a man queen of mistake. And my dear friends, I also believe that human by birth
Makes
he is a
mistake.
mistake maker. He is able to do mistakes sometimes. So it's reduce the mistake of human because AI is program based. So it can reduce the human errors. And my dear friends, I think you all know that everything has two sides, the dark side or the bright side. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So let's come to the limitation of AI. And the first limitation is high cost of creation. High cost of creation. That every people can't afford the robotic based AI. I'm not talking about the laptops, computers, or the cell phones. We can afford these types of things, but when we talk about the larger things like Sophia types of robot, AlphaGo types of competitor, so we can't afford it. That's why we can say it's high creation of cost. The next limitation of it is, my dear friends, nowadays AI making us lazy. You can, I think you all know about the Amazon Alexa. Yes or no? Amazon Alexa, the person who has Amazon Alexa, who just command that Alexa turn on the AC, Alexa turn on the fan, and they are just sitting on the sofa. So they can destroy their body posture, their correct body posture. So it's making us lazy. And the third limitation of AI is unemployment. My dear friends, don't you believe that when AI is working with replacing of human, so human can face the problem of unemployment? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
As I give the example of Sia, Era, so it's also replace the human work. So the human can face the problem of unemployment. And now we go for the next limitation. No emotions. As you see in the picture, eye, teeth, or lips. My dear friend, I want to tell you, AI has no emotion, but we have emotion. Everyone who is present here, who can laugh, who can behave, yes or no? You can express your body posture like I am expressing my hand gesture. I am doing eye contact with you. So this is the emotion of humans, not the AI. So this is the limitation of AI. So let's come to the conclusion. So my dear friends, as a human being, as a good human or better human, we need to take bright side of everything which help to go ahead in our life. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everybody wants to go ahead in your life. So use the bright side of everything. Now I want to say that's all from my side, and heartily I want to say thank you everyone for listening me. That's it. My dear friends, I want to know if you have any question related to my PPT, you can ask to me. So ask the question.
Yes, sir. You say that if AI was there in Ukraine or Bangladesh at that time,
Yes.
so it will control the expansion of
Explosion.
So how?
Sir, because in Bhopal gas tragedy, there was methyl isocyanate, which can injure human life, which can take human's life. So AI don't breathe, so he can or it can take the place of human. That's it. Thank you, sir.
It will rescue.
Yeah.
Any other question?
Any other questions, sir? My dear friends, if you have the questions, so you can ask. I will answer it definitely.
I think questions are done. Thank you so much. Clap for him.